Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's video, you are going to see on Instagram how you can just enable two-factor authentication. So let's head over to our Instagram application first. Once you are there, make sure that you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to your profile by tapping the profile icon on the lower right corner. And once you are there, just tap on the three lines on the top right. And in here, what you need to do is just to scroll down. And here, if you find your two-factor authentication in here, then you can just use it. Or if you don't find it in here, head over to Account Center, then go to Password and Security. And then here you will find two-factor authentication. Head over there. And now select your Instagram account. Once you select it, you can just choose your security method. The first one is authentication app. They will recommend an app to download if you don't have one. It will regenerate a code that you'll enter when you log in. Or you can also use SMS or WhatsApp on your mobile number. So once you do that, you'll get a code on your app or SMS or WhatsApp, whatever you use. And then you can just enable your two-factor authentication on your Instagram. I hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.